Hello, Bear Valley 7th grade math students. Welcome to week 2 and to my new spectacular beard style. I love it and I hope you do too. But if you don't, that's okay. You're not alone. My wife doesn't like it either. Tune in next week for a new beard style and maybe a guest visitor. Just wanted to say welcome to week 2 and to give you a couple shout outs, 7th grade math students. I have seen a lot of work from all of you. I am so proud that you are engaging in the work and I've answered a ton of questions. Please, please, please keep asking questions through Schoology. It shows me that you care and that you're engaged, and I get back to you within a few hours. Okay? All right, tune into the next video for this week's lesson.